What if the next great platform shift isn't a new phone or a new headset, but the chatbot you're using every day? ACCZ is predicting that in 2026, ChatGPT will become the AI App Store, fundamentally changing how software is distributed. This is a massive opportunity for some and a huge threat for others. Are you ready for it? Let's break it down in today's video. ACCZ partner Angela Strange argues that just like the iPhone created a new distribution channel for mobile apps, ChatGPT is creating a new one for AI applications. The GPT store isn't just a list of plugins, it's a new ecosystem where a developer can reach millions of users directly within the interface they're already using. The idea is that users won't go to a dozen different websites for different AI tools. They'll stay within ChatGPT and call upon different GPTs or agents to perform tasks. Need to create a presentation? There is a GPT for that. Need to analyze a PDF? There's a GPT for that. ChatGPT becomes the operating system, and individual AI tools become the apps. We are already seeing this play out. Companies like Canva and Zapier were quick to build GPTs, allowing users to design images or automate workflows without leaving the ChatGPT interface. They're meeting users where they are. Think about the early days of iPhone App Store. The first breakout hits were simple. Native apps like flashlight apps or simple games. Similarly, the first breakout GPTs are often simple utilities that solve a specific problem, like creating a consistent character for storytelling or summarizing YouTube videos. The complexity will grow over time. This creates a new discovery paradigm. Instead of searching on Google or App Store, users will simply state their intent and ChatGPT will recommend or even automatically invoke the right GPT for the job. So, for founders and indie developers, this is a double edged sword. On one hand, it is an incredible distribution channel. You can build a simple GPT and potentially reach a massive audience without spending a dollar on marketing. The barrier to entry is incredibly low. But on the other hand, you are building on rented land. OpenAI controls the platform, the ranking, and the monetization. They could shut you down, copy your feature, or change the rules at any time, just like Apple or Google can. This creates a huge platform risk. And the threat is to any standalone AI web app. If a user can get a good enough version of your product inside ChatGPT, why would they go to your website, creating a new account, and learn a new interface? You are now competing with the convenience of the default platform. So, my take is that you can't ignore this trend, but you have to be smart about it. Use the GPT store as a top of funnel acquisition channel, a way to get users to discover your product. But your long term goal should always be to build a direct relationship with users and offer a differentiated, standalone experience that's 10 times better than what a simple GPT can provide. The GPT is the free sample, your product is the main course. Have you used the GPT store? I personally have built several GPTs, and it's really, I would say, simple and straightforward. But what's the most useful GPT you found? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe because in the next video, we're leaving the digital world and talking about how AI is about to revolutionize heavy industry. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Salut!